Hi guys, thank you all for tuning in and welcome back to Soy Clara. Today we're gonna create something that was so much fun to make. We're gonna make this car in a bottle. So there is a Christmas tree on the top of the car and there are little packages on the back of the car and it looks like the car is driving in snow. It's not my original idea, I got it from a magazine, but as soon as I have seen it I knew we have to do that together because this is so cute and this might end up being actually my favorite Christmas DIY of all times. And if you want to know how I made this decor, then please keep watching. The star of our today's project was this toy car, a red Volkswagen Beetle. I sprayed the car first a bit with snow spray and cleaned all windows, and then I let it dry. Then I took a small Christmas tree that would perfectly fit on the top of the car and gave it also a coat of the snow spray. While both items dried, I took a large glass jar and laid it out with cotton balls so that it would look like it was a ground covered in snow. Once I had the desired amount of cotton balls, I took it all out, shaped it, and fluffed it up to my liking before I put all back into the jar. As a next step, I glued the Christmas tree to the top of the car. I held the tree in place until the hot glue was completely cooled off. In addition to that, I tied the Christmas tree through the car's front windows with a cord that looked like a rope. I adjusted the rope and glued it on 2 spots to the car. Once that was done, I sprayed all again with the snow spray and again cleaned all car windows. I made 2 little boxes of a piece of thick paper. I wrapped them into Christmas paper and then I tied a ribbon around them. I positioned the boxes on the back of the car and I glued them in place with hot glue. And then the car looked like this. The dimensions of this whole ensemble determine the size of the glass jar you will need. It's important that the opening will be big enough for all this. I placed the car into the glass jar on the cotton snow. And now it's decorating my husband's home office shelves. You guys, I can't get enough of this one. It's just so cute. And honestly, I've been also very lucky with the car because we're still on lockdown and there are not many shops that are open that would have a little toy car. But the one that's basically a drugstore that also has toys had this one and it's just perfect. A red Volkswagen Beetle. I mean, it couldn't get any better than that. So that's gonna be it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you guys very much. God bless you and see you soon. Bye.